What an insane Bitcoin crash. In 6 hours, the Bitcoin price went down by $2,500. This is the crash I'm talking about. But wait, when we zoom out a little bit, it doesn't look that bad actually. Here's a chart of Bitcoin over the last 2 years. And this is the current crash, the little bit blip. Even if we zoom in here, right, this is a daily chart. It was a bit of a correction in a very, very vast bull run. Now, if you're following this channel for a while, you know what those two lines here are. The lines in turquoise and the line in red. Those are back-tested moving averages. So moving averages that historically worked very well for Bitcoin. And as long as we don't drop more than 15% or even 26%, as long as we stay above 31,300, we should be relatively bullish. That's at least, again, what the statistics say, what the backtest says. Now, I'm not going to repeat myself on this channel yet again and show you that backtest, etc. If you're interested in that, simply look at prior Bitcoin-based videos on this channel. Instead, I want to draw your attention on this vertical line over here. The 1st of October. What happened over here? Why did Bitcoin go up since then? Why did we see an appreciation of more than 50%? And why did we also see an outperformance of the altcoins during this time? This here is total 3 minus stablecoins divided by all of crypto. In other words, this is a chart of the altcoin dominance, which is also rising. So altcoins are doing even better than Bitcoin since the 1st of October. Let me show you what happened on the 1st of October. This chart suddenly turned around. This very low volatile, very directional chart. Let's zoom out a little bit further. What happened here on the 11th of May, that was the collapse of Terra Luna, of the Anchor protocol of the UST stablecoin. Now what we are seeing here on the 1st of October is a recovery of that chart. What are we seeing here? It's the stablecoin market cap. It's a very nice measure to see if currently capital is flowing into crypto or out of crypto. After Terra Luna, everybody was shocked. Nobody wanted to have anything to do with crypto. Everybody removed capital from crypto, and so all the crypto asset prices also went down. Now, since the 1st of October, crypto as a whole is expanding again. And the reason why I like that chart so much is simply because it's so smooth. I mean, look at this, right? There are some wicks here, probably data glitches, but either the stablecoin market cap is going down pretty much any day, or it's going up pretty much every day. The trends here are very, very clear. And that's very different to the erratic ups and downs in the Bitcoin price, for example. The stablecoin market cap is a nice gauge to see where currently mass psychology is. And sometimes those crashes happen. Probably also because of manipulation. Because have a look at this. This is the liquidation map. And after this crash, there isn't too much open interest. Most liquidations would now actually appear if the price was to rise. So if there is any subsequent manipulation now, it's probably going to be rather upwards, because this is where the liquidation fees are. This is where the centralized exchanges make their money. So we've got an expanding crypto market with more and more capital flowing in. We've got a market that got flushed out of shorts, where now the incentives align for further upward pressure. And on top of that, our price is still very much above the best back-tested moving average. A strategy I've been following since inception of this channel, actually roughly 3 years ago. Should you be worried? Should you be panic selling here? I don't have a crystal ball either. I simply just look at the data, and for me, everything still looks very, very healthy. This very much just looks like a temporary blip to me. Could we go further down? Possibly. But it doesn't really matter to me. I simply just use those wicks to accumulate more, to then sell when the real hype starts. And the real hype hasn't yet started. Long-term holders aren't yet selling. Otherwise, we'd see metrics such as the value days destroyed going up. The long-term holders moving their coins. And that's not what we are seeing in aggregate. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would we very much appreciate as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.